Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the FOV scaling axis in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. Then we're going to go to Video and scroll down to FOV scaling axis. So here we have on and off, and on means that the vertical axis, so like the FOV, will be fixed on the y-axis. So the FOV is not going to change on the vertical scale. And off means that it's going to be locked on the x-axis, which means that it's going to be fixed on the horizontal scale. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just press the save button to apply your settings, and you can exit out the settings. So as you can see, my FOV is now locked. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.